Good day everyone. Welcome to another episode of Strand Story, where we explore how to technical vocational livelihood students turn their skill into success. I'm Kuanan, your host, and today's topic is partnership with goals, a perfect recipe of success in the cookery strand.
That's right, Kuanan. In the world of cooking, where partnership are not just about working together. They're about sharing a goal, supporting each other in achieving excellence as one team.
As a cooker student, I believe that no great dishes come a person alone. Every dishes comes from a great teamwork and shared goals.
Oh!
Let's start off with this question. What does partner with goals really mean to us?
For me, partnership means helping each other grow while aiming for something specific, like finishing a menu plan together or winning a culinary competition.
Exactly. A partnership is strong when it's guided by clear goals. Without direction, even the best team can lose focus. Kind of like cooking without a recipe.
Well said. So partnership with goals is basically teamwork plus direction equals success.
That's the perfect equation. In the kitchen and in life, both partnership and goals keep motivated or organized.
In cookery strand kasi, when we prepare like for big events like catering or food expos, everyone has their own tasks like preparation, plating, and customer service. Yun.
Yeah, kaya nga nung nakarang grade 11 tayo, nagkagulo-gulo tayo dun sa ating ginagawang baking. Pero kahit pa paano natapos naman natin yung tamang oras.
And setting those goals really help us stay on track. From budgeting ingredients to plating schedule.
At dahil dyan, inimbitahan natin si Teacher Demetrio. Palakpan tayo, guys!
Hello! Good afternoon sa inyo! Hindi, pero narinig yung mga pinagkikwentuhan nyo kanina eh. Yung pinag-uusapan nyo, doon ko talaga kayo pinag-train kasi partnership with the goals is part of your real-world presentation. Culinary industry, every success depends on coordination and purpose. Diba? Kaya kailangan natin ng pagsabak natin sa real world, alam na natin yung mga step by step and mga process.
Cooperation lang, guys.
Cooperation, yun. Diba?
I like that point, Chef. Partnership also go beyond cooking, right?
Yes, sa school rin namin eh. Parang yung school namin nakapartner rin sa mga business. Para yung mga estudyante, mabilis na rin makakahanap ng mga pag-GPA nila. Tapos din na sila kukuha ng experience at practice na rin sa mga how to reduce waste.
At sa mga partnership naman na yan, parang nafe-feel namin na mas malaki kami sa parating yun. Kumbaga, hindi lang para sa aming mga estudyante, para din sa mga maliliit na businesses.
Tama.
Tama nga, Vincent. Partnership with the goals help build character, leadership, and purpose value that go beyond the kitchen. Ang galing mo doon, Vincent. Talagang nakikinig ka.
Let's be honest, partnership aren't also smooth. What challenge have you faced as a team?
Pag ano po, about sa mga recipe namin, nagtatalo-talo kasi kami, kumbaga, sa iba't ibang panglasa namin, yun lang. Tapos mga opinion namin sa isa't isa.
Oo, pre, totoo yun. Pero lahat naman kasi, after nun, lahat may natututunan eh. Kasi yung iba nagsasuggest na mas okay na lasa, tsaka sa preparation. Tapos yun.
Hindi naman yung maganda.
Oo, pre.
Sa bandang huli, may natutunan.
Why it matters in the cookery restaurant?
In my restaurant, each station, grill, pastry, sauce, garnish, work in sync. Our shared goal is always customer satisfaction and consistency. That's partnership in action.
Okay. Chef Rico, that sounds intense. What happens if someone in the team doesn't do their part?
The kitchen can ruin the whole service. That's why communication and shared goals matter. It keeps everyone moving as one.
Setting smart goals.
In the industry, smart goals keep business running smoothly, from the menu planning to inventory and customer service.
So that partnership also go beyond cooking, right?
Yes, we partner with local farmers to get fresh produce and support sustainability. That's a goal that benefit both of restaurant and the community.